How do I create a directory and any missing parent directories in Python? Introduction. Python programs often need to create directories for save logs, uploads, reports, backups, generated files, application data. Sometimes, the target directory may contain missing parent directories. Example: data, reports, 2026, May. If intermediate folders do not exist, Python can create them automatically. A very common Python question is, how do I create a directory and all missing parent directories? This topic explains directory creation in Python, os.mkdir versus os.makedirs, modern pathlib usage handling existing directories, best practices, common mistakes. This is a core Python file system topic. The recommended modern solution. Modern Python commonly uses pathlib.Path.mkdir or os.makedirs method 1 using os.makedirs. os.makedirs data reports 2026 May. Python creates data reports 2026 data reports 2026 May. Even if parents do not exist. Why makedirs? Difference. Function behavior. os.mkdir, single directory only. os.makedirs creates parent directories too. Example: os.mkdir failure. Import os.mkdir abc. If a/b does not exist, x raises error. Method 2. Modern pathlib approach. Recommended. Python 3.4 Plus introduced pathlib. Cleaner and object-oriented. Example from pathlib: import path. Path data reports 2026 May. Mkdir. Parents true, exist okay true. Meaning of parameters. Parameter purpose, parents true. Create missing parents. Exist okay true. Avoid error if exists. Why pathlib is preferred. Cup, modern API. Cup, cleaner syntax. Cup, cross-platform paths. Cup, object-oriented design. Internal concept, requested path. Check parent directories. Create missing folders. Create final directory. Handling existing directories. Without exist okay equals true. Python raises file exists error if directory already exists. Safer example from pathlib: import path. Path, logs, mkdir, exist okay true. Now, no crash if folder exists. Real-world example: upload directory from pathlib: import path. Upload dir equals path. Storage uploads images. Upload dir.mkdir, parents true, exist okay, true. Common in web apps, APIs, backend systems. Cross-platform advantage. Python automatically handles Windows paths, Linux paths, macOS paths, especially with pathlib.Path, directory creation with variables. Year equals 2026, month equals May. Path f reports, year, and month. Mkdir, parents equals true, exist okay true. Difference between files and directories. Item purpose. File stores data. Directory organizes files. Common beginner mistakes. 1. Using mkdir instead of makedirs. Wrong. os.mkdir a, b, c. Fails if parents missing. 2. Forgetting exist okay true can cause unnecessary crashes. 3. Hard coding OS-specific paths. Avoid. c://temp. Prefer. Path, temp files. 4. Confusing files and directories. mkdir creates folders, not files. Best practices. Prefer pathlib in modern Python. Use parents true for nested paths. Use exist okay true for safe creation. Avoid OS-specific separators. Validate permissions when needed. Permissions errors. Directory creation may fail due to restricted access, invalid locations, system permissions. Example exception. Permission error advantages of pathlib. Copy readable, copy modern syntax, copy safer path handling, copy platform independent, copy easier maintenance. Simple definition directory. A file system container used to organize files and other directories. Simple definition. os.makedirs. A Python function that creates a directory and all missing parent directories. Simple definition. Path.mkdir. A modern Python method for creating directories using pathlib. Final summary. To create a directory and all missing parent directories in Python, use classic approach os.makedirs ABC. Modern recommended approach from pathlib import path. Path abc.mkdir parents true, exist OK true. Key idea. Parents equals true automatically creates missing parent folders, making nested directory creation simple and reliable.